Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode in your VerveOnes buds from Motorola. So to do this you have to remove both earbuds from the case and then click and hold this Motorola button together until one of this indicator starts blinking. As you can see, the right one is blinking blue and the red. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So right now we can open the pair new device, and as you can see right now they appear right here. So select them, accept pairing request, and right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.